So this recent news that within the first 48 hours of tickets for T20 World Cup 2024 going on sale, over 1 million online applications have been received, 900,000 of which came from the USA and the Caribbean. According to a release with a West Indies logo affixed, Caribbean cricket fans are being urged to go out and get tickets before they are sold out and blah, blah, blah. But you know, my Maverick mind is telling me that this is a sales strategy, strictly by common sense. We understand that there are 260,000 tickets on sale up to the semi-finals. So let's put it at 300,000 tickets on sale in total. Now, if over 1 million applications for tickets have been received, then ICC and Cricket West Indies don't have to ask anybody to go out and buy tickets. The demand would be overwhelming and the tickets would be sold out in a matter of days. So me have to see all of the grounds being sold out before I believe. Yes, but tickets going fast. Get your tickets now, blah, blah, blah. I hope I am wrong. And all the tickets are sold out. And we have a successful World Cup with ticket sales bursting at the seam. Yes, bursting at the seam.